What's up, guys? I hope you're having a great day. Thank you so much for joining me. Today we're gonna go ahead and just do a quick install on the Corvette. You can really do this install on any vehicle. You can do it on a truck, car, SUV, motorcycle, and possibly trailer. You may want to double check on that one. As for the truck on this channel, my truck, it is still waiting for the transmission shop to take a look at it, so as soon as I find anything out, I will let you guys know. And it is way too hot to dip the car, so hopefully next weekend we can dip the car. So I figured today would be a great time for a quick little install. And here it is, boys. The quick install for the day is a custom license plate frame. Now, I know some of you guys are like, oh, neat, license plate frame. This is actually really cool because it's 304 stainless steel. It's not plastic. It's actually powder coated matte black. That's what I went with. As you guys can see, they did both sides here. It's actually engraved. There's a lot of them out there that are just laser printed on. I know you guys couldn't really tell right there. It's not the best, my camera's not picking it up. But I sent them a message asking if it's actually engraved or if it's laser printed. They were like, yes, it's actually engraved. And I was like, neat, I want one. So I ended up working with them. I got my YouTube channel and my Instagram right there. Now, you guys don't have to get my exact license plate, even though
it'd be a lot cooler if you did.
They have a bunch of different colors for you to choose from. You can pick a bunch of different texts. You can go to the website and build your own. It is actually Frameai. It's frameartinnovation.com. I'll give you guys some more information later. I'll post a link in the description below. It comes with a bunch of different hardware for you, and it's actually got caps for the screws. Let's get this thing installed. So this part's actually really simple. You just need a Phillips head screwdriver or a flathead, depending on what your screws are. I'm gonna go ahead and get the plate off. So with the license plate frame, you get black plastic washers or you get metal washers like this one right here. If you live in a drier climate, then go with the metal ones. But if you live in a colder, wintry climate, use the plastic ones because they will fuse themselves. I guess they've had issues with the metal fusing to the cap that goes over the screw. So if you're going to be driving in the winter because of all the crap that they put on the roads, definitely recommend using the plastic one. Now, it does snow here in Washington, but I'm going to go ahead and use the metal one because I don't really plan on driving it in the winter unless things get real crazy. Also, it comes with fine thread screw or like a self-tapping one, whichever one you prefer. I'm going to go with the fine thread. Now, the back of the frame, you can see it's got two tabs right there. Just go ahead and slide your plate in behind those or in front of those, whichever way you're looking at it, and that already looks better. Now just line the holes up and start screwing it in. Once the plate's all lined up and mounted the way you want it, go ahead and take these caps. I don't know what these are actually called, I call them beauty caps. Now, I think that came out really clean. It's way better than just having the plate there. And I didn't want to have a bunch of stickers on my car. I don't like to have a bunch of stickers unless you're going to a show. Except for, of course, America right there. So this was a good way to get my Instagram and my YouTube on the car without covering it in stickers. Now, I hope you guys enjoyed that quick little install. Like I said, if you guys want to go ahead and check it out, build your own license plate frame, it's Frameai, frameinnovations.com. Go ahead, I'll put a link in the description below, and if you want to save yourself 10%, use coupon code CARVE, first four letters of my last name. Now, this video isn't sponsored, but they were cool enough to give me a coupon code to save you guys 10%, so I think that's awesome. So, as always, thank you guys so much for joining me, and I hope you guys have a great night.